Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can add stops on Lyft. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So for that purpose, first of all, let's go ahead open our app. Once our app is open, tap on this enter pickup location and go ahead enter the particular location. Once we're done adding our location, tap on this plus icon which will be over here. That there you can go ahead add your stop if you want it to stop in between. If you don't, you can, if you want to stop after you reach, then you can also add that stop. Go ahead enter that particular stop over here and then go ahead enter your particular destination over here. So once you're done adding all of your location, it's gonna look like that. And then with the stop, and it's gonna show you the whole map over there. You can go ahead check it out. You can check out the amounts as it mentioned over here as well. Now once you're done, go ahead tap on the select Lyft, and then this will show this kind of interface. You can go ahead confirm and request as well. You can go ahead add a note for the driver in case there is something to be noticed and they have to make sure of. You can go ahead add that note. Once you're done, you can go ahead tap on this confirm and request option, and there you go. You will be able to make a request and Lyft with a stop right there in between. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.